Well, to be frank with you, don't obsess over creating the life of your dreams. Don't be desperate to get what you want, because the energy of desperation creates more desperation. The energy of trying too hard creates more situations where you have to try hard. You need some ease, some flow, and some peace in the mix. And I know the idea of ease and peace sounds stupid. It even sounds irresponsible. And I'm not even saying that trying too hard won't get you there. It will. But if trying hard is your only skill, then even when you get to the next level, you have to try even harder to go beyond that. And when you will get old, you will share the mindset with others too. You will infect them with the same pressure. I hope this video helps.